Hi there, today I will be showing you how to use Dropbox on your computer. Using it is very simple, and for this I have two ways. The first one is, if you are using Windows 11 or 10, then you can get this application from their official store. Simply open the Microsoft Store and search for Dropbox, and here you will see it saying, get this application just by clicking on it. Once you will click on it, it will be installed on your computer and you can sign in or create your account. And you can use it. But what if you are not using the Windows 11 or 10? No need to worry. Open the browser and in the Google search bar simply search for Dropbox. Once you can search for it, you will see the official website Dropbox. Here, you will see the option of login or sign up. And even you can get this application just by clicking on the option Desktop App. And you can use it, but if you want to use online, then click on it. Now this one is the official website and the interface. Take a look on the right top, you will see the option of sign up, log in, and get started. If you don't have an account, then click on the option Sign Up and create your account with the help of Google or any other that Dropbox allow you to create. But my account is already created, so that's why I click on the option Log In, and it's saying Google or Apple. I will click on the option Google. Here you can see I get access to the Dropbox. Here I can do whatever I want, and that's it.